welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 17 of Diwali 2020. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some festival hacks, and this video is going to be very helpful for this festive season because I've included hacks related to skincare, fashion, jewelry, and basically all the beauty stuff is all included in this video. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching and make sure that you're watching this video till the end, and make sure that if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, having said that, without any further ado, let's just get started. My first hack is about cleaning your silver jewelry, and for that what you'll need is your regular tomato ketchup. Take your jewelry and put it inside the ketchup and leave it on for around 5 to 7 minutes, and make sure that you're not leaving it more than that. After 5 minutes, rub your jewelry with the help of a toothbrush for around 2 minutes, and after that you will see that your jewelry has become a lot more polished. Now to make it more polished, take your jewelry and rub it with the help of a Colgate. Rub it with the same toothbrush and the Colgate for around 2 minutes and you're done. Trust me, this is such a cost-effective hack. When you go to the market to get your jewelry polished, you'll have to pay 300 or 400 rupees for it maybe, and now you can do it yourself at home. You can also do the same with your copper utensils and make them shine like you've just bought them. Next hack is about wearing your bangles. So what you have to do is wear a plastic bag in your hands, and by doing this the bangles will slide easily without hurting. For removing the bangles, apply some moisturizer on your hands, and now that your hands have become softer, the bangles will slide easily without hurting. The third hack is a skincare hack, and for that you'll have to apply some kind of serum or facial oil, or you can be as basic as applying a coconut oil on your face. Now I have these frozen spoons which I've kept in my freezer for around 20 to 25 minutes, and start massaging your face with the help of these spoons. Honestly guys, it works like those expensive facial massagers that you get in the market, but these spoons are the cheaper alternative to those. This will make your face glow and reduce any puffiness if you're having on your face. The next hack, take a paper sellotape and stick it behind your ears. And now wear your heavy earrings. Honestly guys, by doing this, trust me, almost 70 to 80% weight of your earrings will be reduced. The next hack is about wearing your earring as your mangtika. So what you have to do is take a black thread, insert it inside your earring and secure it with the help of bobby pins. The next hack, take some powdered glitter. You'll easily get it in the market for around 20 to 30 minutes, and mix your moisturizer into it. And you can apply it all over your body and let your body shine this festive season. Works exactly like those expensive body highlighters that you get in the market. The camera is not able to catch it, but trust me, it really works very nicely. If your mantika is not staying at its place, then what you can do is take a double side tape and stick it under your mantika and you're good to go. The next hack is gonna be very useful for all the beauties out there who does not like putting so much of makeup on their face, and of course दिवाली के टाइम पे थोड़ा बहुत टचअप तो सब लोग करने ही वाले हैं, but if you're someone who does not like the whole glam up thing and you do not like to put so much of makeup on your face, then this hack is gonna be very useful for you. What you can do is choose a bright colored outfit. When you're wearing a bright colored outfit, you're dragging almost all the attention towards your outfit, and for your face, what you can do is choose a bright colored lipstick like a bright red or a bright maroon would be a very good choice. And red lipstick is an evergreen color, like you can always pair a red lipstick with almost all the colors. I guess almost all the colors look so flattering when you're wearing red lipsticks. And this festive season, make sure that you're wearing a bright lipstick and a bright outfit, and then you don't need to worry about the makeup and the whole glam up thing, because the red lipstick is gonna take care of all of that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to like my video. And also guys, let me know in the comment section what other videos you guys want me to make, and I'll be more than happy to make those videos. And also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Until then, bye.